Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make the best sticky, garlicky, honey garlic chicken. Welcome back to Impossibly Kosher. My name is Ben, and what I try to do in every video is bring authentic, well-researched and tested recipes and delicious meals from all over the globe and show you the authentic and classic ways to cook them, all while ensuring that they stay 100% kosher. Let's be honest, you don't always have the time to watch a long instructional video on how to make something, even if that something is beyond delicious, like this lasagna recipe. Sometimes the video's too long, sometimes the recipe's too long. It'll take 14 hours to cook, like this brisket. So I'm going to show you how to make something short and sweet and finger licking good. So what are we going to need for this recipe? Chicken breast, 1/4 cup of flour, 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped up well, a little bit of rice vinegar, but if you don't have any, don't worry, use normal vinegar, it will still come out delicious. About a tablespoon or so of soy sauce, a 1/3 cup of honey, or about 90 grams, and about a 1/3 stick of margarine. Here's a little kosher fun fact. So we can't mix meat and dairy in the kosher world, and because we're making chicken, butter is off the table. So we're swapping it out for margarine. Now, did you know that not all margarines are dairy-free and parve? If you didn't know that, let us know in the comment section below. That's why it's very important to take a look at the kosher certificate on the packaging and make sure that it says parve. Now, before we go ahead and start touching some raw chicken, go ahead and give this video, you guessed it, a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. Ring the bell and you'll keep up with all the videos that we have coming out. Starting off with the chicken breasts. I'm using about 4, and these guys are pretty thick, so I'm going to be slicing them in half so that they're even consistency throughout the chicken, and that way it cooks more even. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper on them, and now get the flour that you prepared on a nice big plate and dip each piece of chicken into the flour on both sides and put it now on a separate plate. They look so funny and dried out, but that's exactly the look we're looking for. Depending on how much chicken you're making, get a big frying pan, set it on the stove on high heat, and throw in your margarine. Mix it around to help it melt, and once it's completely melted, start adding in your chicken. Now the chicken breast is a delicate piece. You don't want to overcook it, and because they're thinly sliced, you're going to need about 2 to 3 minutes per side, no more. A good indicator of when to flip it over is when that side is nice and golden brown. When the chicken part is done, lower your heat to a medium-high and push all the chicken onto another side of the pan. Add in your chopped garlic where there's a lot of margarine left over and let it sit for about a minute. Now, add in your honey, vinegar, soy sauce, and stir it really well in the same spot. Now this part will happen quite fast. As soon as it starts bubbling, mix it in with the rest of the chicken. Make sure that every piece of chicken gets nice and coated with that sticky, garlicky deliciousness. And after just a minute or so, look at how incredible they look. Now here's a little tip. If they're a bit too sticky or the honey mixture is a bit too thick, add in about a tablespoon or so of water and mix it well. Now, all that's left to do is get them out of the pan, get them on a plate, serve them up, and let everyone enjoy. There you have it, as promised. Easy and quick, sticky honey garlic chicken. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button right below. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell and you'll keep up with all the incredible videos that we have coming out. And boy, do we have some great ones on the way. And while you wait for the next video to come out, go ahead and check us out on Instagram. I'll leave a link for it in the description section. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Impossibly Kosher video.